Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today marks 10 years of my life with an autoimmune disorder called Myasthenia Gravis. I was first diagnosed with it in September, mid or late September 2012. Immediately, I knew that I would soon forget what it would be to live a normal life, and that happened. I no longer remember what it is to live a normal life anymore. But all said and done, although it affects the way I can function, the how much time I can work, or how much time I can continuously speak. All said and done, I'm at a relatively happy space. Uh, Considering everything that has happened in the past and how bad I was during the initial years of the diagnosis, and my medication has come down significantly. Um, my health is quite manageable. So the reason I want to make this video is to point out that I got this autoimmune condition. Before that, let me explain to you what myasthenia gravis is, in case you don't know. So, autoimmune disorders, there's a wide spectrum. There are many different types of them. I don't know many of them, but myasthenia gravis is one such condition in which the immune system of the body attacks the body for no reason, without any kind of foreign object present. And in the case of myasthenia gravis, what happens is that the neural signals from the brain to the muscles are affected. So you get tired after you speak for a long time, or a short time. In my case, if you do anything, any repeated muscular activity, it affects muscles like the eyelids, the cheek muscles, the shoulder muscles, the lungs, the breathing can be affected, and so on. So it can be a life threatening condition for some people. Fortunately for me, it started from my eyes and started progressing down. It affected my speech at one point in time, and it then progressed up to my my right shoulder, and thank God it has not gone down below that. For now, my problem is, I'm not able to speak for too long, so I have to reduce the length I can speak, and that's one of the reasons why I don't make videos as much. It has affected my ability to also function normally throughout the day, and so on. But all said and done, I am at a happy place, and the reason I want to make this video is that to point out that when I got diagnosed in September 2012, I was at my fittest. I had lost a lot of weight recently. I was exercising regularly. I was doing push-ups, stuff like that. I don't remember much now, but I used to exercise regularly. I was playing regularly, and so on. But and then my life just changed, like somebody had turned off the light in a room, and it took me a long time to recover many aspects of normality after that. Thankfully, although I'm still on immunosuppressants, I'm not on steroids, because steroids can be very difficult to manage. The side effects of steroids can be very difficult to manage, and I got into trouble because of that. I almost became a diabetic, and because of that, I had to change my lifestyle. I stopped eating all forms of rice, wheat, etc. So that also made a big difference to my weight and my fitness levels. So the if I can offer a message, the only message I have is that every minute we spend on earth being alive is very precious. Let us not waste it by by smoking, drinking, or uh, eating unhealthy stuff, and not maintaining our body by not exercising, by taking on too much stress, by working too much, by staring too much at a computer screen, and so on. I think we need to preserve our health, and that is the single most important lesson that I've learned over all these years, and over these years of uh, uh, you know uh, coping with myasthenia gravis. There are many people with myasthenia gravis much worse than me. I am so lucky. I'm thankful to God that I'm able to do at least this much. Although it is. I mean, many of my dreams have to be modified, have to be re-engineered. I am still at a happy place. I mean, it would be wrong to say I don't have regrets. I have a lot of regrets, but I'm still at a happy place, and whatever time I have left in this world, it should be spent in a thinking healthy thoughts, doing positive things, helping people if I can, and staying healthy for myself and for the sake of my family. And that's what we should all be doing. Bye bye.